What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a minute since I've uploaded anything on YouTube, but I've been working really hard on getting all my deals situated for 2021 so that when the new year came, I could kind of hit the ground running. Obviously, I've had a really long relationship with the Troy Designs team, and everyone at Troy Designs. I've been on the team for now 11 full years, so I'm excited to announce that I will be continuing that relationship into 2021 and making it 12 years. So really happy about that. And those guys have treated me really well. And with their new relationship with the Gas team, I'm excited to say that I will also be joining the Gas team for 2021 and making the switch over to Gas, which I guess really isn't that much of a switch for me since the KTM is basically the same thing as a Gas. So in this video, before I make the switch over to the Gas and take delivery on my new bike, instead of getting rid of the KTM that I just built and spent a lot of time customizing, I figured why not just convert it, since it really is only a gas tank and plastics. That's really the only difference in the bikes. I'm really happy about that because I really like the KTM, so making the switch should be really easy for me. And I figured why not just keep the bike that I have and have one more bike in the lineup that I could take out and kind of have a bike to take to the hills and then build another bike to take to the motocross track and just have a couple different options for when I'm going out to ride. So without further ado, here it is. This is my KTM that I have converted into a Gas. I did film a few clips converting it. Like I said, it's pretty simple. It's just gas tank and then everything bolts right up to convert it to make it into a Gas. So I think it looks pretty sweet. Obviously there's no graphics on it right now. And also note that it is still dirty, kind of dusty from the last time I rode it. You will see in the following clips that there is quite a bit of dust underneath all the plastics, as well as a really dirty air filter. Don't mind that. I wanted to leave it kind of dirty and wash it all at the same time because obviously I will be putting graphics on there. The guys over at Moto Cuts are designing stuff right now, and I will be heading down there to finish up the design and make sure everything fits right. But anyways, I wanted to wash it, obviously wash the dust off of it, and then wash all the new oils off of the plastic so that the graphics apply a lot easier. I'm actually gonna go ahead and wash that thing right now, but here's the clips that I filmed converting this thing to make it into a red bike. I'm really excited about this new relationship, and we should be able to build some really cool bikes. I have some really good ideas for the bikes, so if you guys have any suggestions, go ahead and leave it in the comments. If you don't already subscribe, do it now because I am going to be a lot more consistent with my uploading at least once a week now. And whether that means building bikes or going to the track or hitting ramps or whatever it is, I'm gonna try and upload every single week, if not multiple times a week. So go ahead, subscribe if you don't already, hit like, get me some traction with these videos, and yeah, enjoy the rest of this video.
was a sight for my soul.